Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on percentage decrease. Sometimes we have a particular amount and we are asked to decrease it by a certain amount. Normally, the amount of the decrease is in the form of a percentage. The following simple guidelines can be followed. Number 1. Find the percentage of the given amount. Subtract this answer from the original amount that was given. Let's have a look at some examples and we'll follow the guidelines. Answer each of the following questions. Number 1. Decrease $480 by 30%. So the first guideline says find the percentage of the given amount. So we have to find 30% of $480. So it's 30 over 100 times 480 over 1. I've written it down again so we can do the working. Now here's an interesting little way of doing this. Because we have a number of zeros in the numerator and the denominator, basically we can divide by 10. So the quick way of doing this is that you cross off 1 zero from the denominator and 1 zero from the numerator. That means you've divided top and bottom by 10. We can do it again. Cross off 1 zero from the denominator, 1 zero from the numerator. You've divided top and bottom by 10. So what are we left with? A 3 and a 48, a 1 and a 1. So that's 3 times 48, because they're the numbers in the numerator, and that gives us $144. So the decreased amount will be $480 minus $144, and that gives us $336. Number 2. An athlete normally runs about 180 kilometres per week. The next week the distance was decreased by 15%. What distance did he run after the 15% decrease? So the guidelines say find 15% of the original amount. So that's the working. That's how we do it. So I've put that down again so we can do the cancelling. Now, 20 into 100 goes 5 times. 20 into 180 goes 9 times. So we've done some good cancelling there. Now, we've noticed here that 15 over 5, that equals 3. So that's why I've written 3. And 9 over 1 equals 9. So it's 3 times 9, and that's 27 kilometres. So the decreased amount will be 180 minus 27 is 153 kilometres. Number 3. The population of a school at the start of a particular year was 900 students. If there was a 7% decrease in the number of students throughout the year, what was the new population? So we're finding 7% of 900, so that's what that is. I put that down again so we can do our working. 100 into 100 goes once. 100 into 900 is 9 times. 7 nines are 63, so the decrease will be 63 students. So the new population will be 900, take away 63, and that gives us 837 students. So this video has introduced us to the idea of percentage decrease, and we've had some very simple guidelines to follow in order to do the given problems.